Hey guys, this is Smidhi. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys a lot. In today's video, we're gonna create this glam makeup look, and it's a classic glam look with light sparkly eyes with red lips. I really hope you do like it, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I want a little bit of glow to my face today. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Dewy Primer and put it on the high points of the face just to give a subtle glow. Because we have some pores, let's cover that up with Benefit's POREfessional. And just on the T-point of the face. Once that's all blended, we'll let it sink down. We'll move to our eyes. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. For brows, I'm going to take my Maybelline's Brow Precise. I'm naturally just going to fill it in. And for brow gel, I'm going to take my Essence Make Me Brow, and this is in the shade Brownie Brows. Now I'm going to shape my brows. Just take any concealer that you have. I'm going to take my CoverGirl concealer. Now I'm just going to put a light dusting of a loose setting powder all across my lid. Now once that is done, let's just move on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to take my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, and I'm going to take the shade Basic and dust it all over my eyelid. So I'm just using that as a base shade to just blend everything together. I'm going to take the shade Necessary from the palette, and I'm going to dust it all on my crease. I'm going to take the shade Churro from the palette, and this is the warm tone brown, and I'm going to start building up on the outer crease of the eye and then moving it across on the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Cheens from the palette, and I'm going to put it on my outer corner of the eye. As you can see, I'm putting a paper just to get a sharp edge on the eyes so that I can get a clean look. And this basically I do whenever I'm going for that glam look. And once the outer corner is pretty blown out, I'm going to take my previous blending brush and I'm just going to blend it all together. There you go. I'm not too concerned about it just because I've not done my foundation. I definitely don't want it to be that harsh, but that would give me a guideline on where my eyeliner is going to be. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm taking the shade Churro and just blending it all together. I just want a little more warmth in my crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Basic again and clean up underneath the brows. Now once that is done, I'm going to take the concealer again, and I'm not looking for like cutting my crease or anything like that, but I definitely want an open space here. Now I'm going to take that shade called Just a Kiss from the palette, and I'm just going to tap it in my inner corners. And because we've put that concealer as our base, it'll stick right on. Look at that shine. I mean, so once that is done, let's move on to our face right now, and then we'll come back to our eyes. For face, I'm going to take my L'Oreal's Fresh Wear foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Sun. Now for concealer, I'm going to take my CoverGirl concealer. I'm looking for my center of the face to be highlighted. And you can clean up your line if you have messed it up with the concealer too. Now after the concealer, say it with me, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild's contour palette in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to put it right underneath my eyes. And I'm going to put it wherever I've put my concealer. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the shade Call Me Maple. And I'm just going to contour the perimeters of the face just to give a clean definition. I'm just going to put it a little bit underneath the lips also, just to give it a pouty look. Because I have a round face, I'm not going to put my contour here. Just because I don't want to close it up. I wanted to keep it pretty open here and lengthen the center of the face and close the outside of the face. I'm just going to blend it across. It's a very forgiving contour stick, so you have time to blend it across, and it's a very blendable stick too. I'm going to blend this line upwards, and I'm not going to drag it down because we want that cheekbones to show. We don't have any cheekbones, so we are assuming. See, so you might notice the difference. This side is more like close set, and this is more wide because I've not done anything here. And this is basically how you slim down a round face if you want to. I mean, round faces are beautiful. I've been living with this face for quite some years now, so I can definitely say that. And whenever you're blending your nose contour, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it down to blend it. And I'm then just going to connect it to my brows. And this will give you an effect of a button nose. And if you don't want that button nose, don't put that line on top of your nose. I'm just going to take my cream highlighter today, and I'm taking my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector liquid, and this is in the shade Opal. I'm just going to tap it on the highest point of the cheeks. Little on my nose. And we'll go with the powder highlight after this. Now once that is done, I'm just gonna set my face. With the help of the powder, I'm just cutting my cheekbones and making it more clean. And for the powder, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to bronze up my face using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going to take my Maybelline's Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. So for today's look, I want to do a cool tone blush today, and I'm going to take my Laura Geller's Baked Blush in the shade Mauve Mocha Latte. Now let's just move back to our eyes. I'm going to take the shade Necessary and Churro. I'm just going to buff it on the lower lash line and connect it to my outer corners. Now I'm going to take a flat definer brush and I'm going to take the shade Chains from the palette and place it right where our lower lash line is. Now I'm going to line my lashes, and I'm taking my Kiss Magnetic Lashes liner. I'm just going to let my liner dry. In the meanwhile, I'm going to line my waterline with Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Liner, and this is in the shade Silky Nude. And for mascara, I'm going to take my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. So you guys are seeing me after a break. My son woke up. He was screaming on top of the lungs. So I just wanted to go and console him. Now they're watching nursery rhymes, so everything is under control. So I applied my lashes, and now it's time for lips. I went to TJ Maxx and I saw this kit and I immediately snatched it. I don't know, I'm not big into pinks and all, but I thought this is a good way to have Bite lipsticks. I do have like 2 of the Bite lipstick which I got in like a birthday gift, but this set is called Bite Treat Yourself, and it comes with 4 shades: Ruby Bonbon, Cocoa Bite, Cherry Truffle, and Good Jujube. Okay, and these are the 4 lipstick. I mean, come on, how sweet and cute it is. Like, it's minis, but it's a gender size, and this set was there for $7. Obviously, for today's look, yeah, let's go for that red, right? Yeah, let's go for that red. For lining my lips, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Red the Scene. The lipstick that I'm going to take is from Bite, and this is in the shade Cherry Truffle. It's a beautiful red. Let's see. Yeah, it's a blue tone red. Oh, very creamy. And now I'm going to set my face with Milani's Make It Last setting spray. And that's a final look, guys. I hope you really like this look. This is my take on soft glam, but with a red lip. This is a classic look, an easy look if you want to like go for parties or red carpet. I mean, yeah, for any kind of a glam, I think a red lip and a soft sparkly eye would do the job. And for your convenience, I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box below. But if you guys are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join our fam, and also ring that notification bell so that you are notified every time I'm posting next. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.